EZCAM 2025. Since our inception, programmers have been bound to blueprints, often without realizing the limitations. Surface and geometry files made a difference, but they lacked intelligent design. Those times have changed. Designs are easily managed, and feature recognition happens with SmartClick. EZCAM's SmartClick technology has matured into a robust and reliable tool. You will program directly off the solid model, meaning there is less typing and fewer clicks. When we step into the ring, our feature recognition delivers a knockout punch to the competition. Starting at $300, you can get all the bells and whistles with no hidden fees. Now let's take a look at 2025. Throughout this video, you will notice our new and improved icons. They have been updated for better visibility and representation. If you're in the business of milling or turning, you're going to want to watch what's next. Here we have 4 pockets to machine. 2 of them are closed and the other 2 are open with undercut features. In 2025, all of those conditions are addressed in a single operation. Using our SmartClick technology, you select the bottom face of each pocket. This acts as a boundary for the tool. If the edge of the tool was flush with the boundary, you could see that we would be gouging our part. Let's take a look at what that toolpath looks like. Here you can see that we're definitely going to be cutting unwanted material. So to rectify that, we're going to add a check surface. This top surface provides a new boundary where we won't violate the part. Now the part is machined correctly. Check surfaces behave the same way in turn as they do in mill, and in the case of custom stock, we can optimize the toolpath so we're not cutting air. This is what we get from a standard operation. Now we'll add the stock as a check surface. EZCAM's toolpath is now more efficient. The new 3/4 view aids in restricting toolpath to certain regions. Our custom stock boundary is shown in red and the part boundary in blue. Use the left-right boundary to establish the start and end points. We'll use Snap to All, allowing us to accurately select entities. Outer and inner boundaries signify the maximum and minimum diameter the tool is allowed to remove material. The Re-Rough 3D toolpath has been given a performance boost, optimized by 30%. Toolpath verification and posting can now be interrupted using the escape key. If no parameters have been modified since the last toolpath calculation, the verify and post commands produce results instantly, saving times during repeated operations. In our turn mill module, we have added 2 new surfacing operations, equidistant and constant Z. Using SmartClick, select your surfaces. In Constant Z, the tool steps down looking for the surface boundaries for each slice. A smaller step will provide you with a better finish. Now we'll look at equidistant. Equidistant toolpath has a uniform step over as it flows over the surfaces, providing you with the best part finish and eliminates most rapid moves. For thread milling, you no longer need to create a curve. Toolpath will start and end using the surface boundary. Part 0 lies on top of the model. The chamfer descends along the Z-axis, making this a 3D profile. As you can see, this is a 45-degree chamfer. To get the results we are looking for, we need to use contour. Now, to define the tool. Now for our toolpath type, we'll choose 3D curve. Select our faces using SmartClick. The simulation color identifies the 3D chamfer. Deburr your parts easily with a Libre and EZCAM. Take a look at the tool's plunge points as EZCAM determined the center for all the pockets. In version 32, we can build a curve and control not only one pocket start point, but all of them. Choose Rapid found under the Curve tab. You can use snaps or dimensions to place each point accurately. However, you can use Screen Pick for random locations. Now we add this new curve to the operation selected in the list box. Notice the placement of the tool based on the points of our choosing. This same curve can be used for pre-drilling. Not only do we have automatic threading, but look at this case, the thread was milled flat. In version 32, EZCAM offers not only auto thread, but allows for incomplete threads. We'll set the parameters for the tool. Now change the lead and depth values to 0. EZCAM will get this information off the model. Set our thread boundaries. EZCAM extracted the lead and the depth. No need to measure. Part 0 is below the surface of our stock, requiring a facing operation. Looking at the dimensions, the diameter of the tool will need to be about 60 mm for a single pass, left to right, or right to left if you change the cut angle to 180. No need to calculate how much material is over the machine faces. EZCAM will do the job with feature recognition. Under Cycle, we will choose Centerline. When the tool is undersized, EZCAM will provide the necessary passes to complete the job. In 2025, roughing tapered walls requires less information and the total stock is automatically calculated. With a contour, you can add a negative Z allowance to compensate for the radius of the ball end mill. The multiple pass toolpath starts its machining in line with the bottom edge of the selected face, and walks into the wall by the cut step. This part contains two types of slots, a single radius and a radius on each corner. Double-click the fillet to understand the tool radius required for a bullnose tool, and the same to display the diameter of the ball end mill, which is 15 millimeters. We will apply contour operations for both of these slots. 15 millimeters was copied to the clipboard, so we can paste that value here. The tool type is displayed as flat. We will go to Advanced Tool and change to Ball. Now select our new fillet slot type toolpath. With Smart Click, select the bottom face, and EZCAM will join all the faces that make up that feature. As you can see, our tool automatically starts and ends clear of the workpiece. EZCAM recognized there were no violations in doing so. To demonstrate you can increase the clearance amount per operation, I will add a value in the overlap field. For the next slot, I will use an undersized cutter, 18 millimeters, to demonstrate how we stay on center. Click on the bottom face in the middle of the slot, and any tool diameter will follow the center line. Creating tabs inside a contour work step now supports multiple paths. Use total stock and cut step to remove heavy material in one operation. Tab width and tab number are set under Advanced Cycle Data. This feature in 2025 eliminates the need to create multiple operations to step into the work and complete the job. Here is an example of high-speed machining using 3 tools stepping down in size. Notice the additional lead-in. EZCAM detects whether it is possible to add such a lead in order to avoid violating the part. We are glad you could join us. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Let us run your machine for you.